Now let's solve this quadratic equation using the completing the square method. Right, so here we are going to try to get a square here. So what are we going to add here so that we can get a square? Now it's going to be -8 and then divided by 2 and then squared here. And we also need to do that to the right hand side. So here, from here we can get the square x, and then look at the number here. -8 divided by 2, we get -4. And here we get 4 times 4 is 16. Negative times negative is positive. So we get lastly, we move -4 over to the right hand side. And we found the value of x. There are 2 answers. Now let's see how we solve this quadratic equation using completing the square method. Step number 1, we are going to get rid of this -3. So what we do is we divide both sides by -3. Well, 0 divided by -3, we get 0. So we have plus 5 over 3 here, minus 4 over 3. Next, we are going to move this one over to the right hand side. Right. Now, we want to find the number here. What's the number here that we can add so that we can get a square? Well, it's going to be, look at this number, 5 over 3, we are going to divide by 2. So 5 over 3 times 1 over 2, we get 5 over 6. So we are going to add 5 over 6 here. And then square. Then we can factorize it into square here. So x, and then for this part it is plus 5 over 6. Now we do this to the left hand side, we need to do that to the right hand side. And we get times 12 times 12. So we get 48 plus 25. 73. And then we take square root for both sides. So here we have x plus 5 over 6. And over here, square root. And the last step, we move this one to the right hand side. We found the value of x.